Top 5 must-have keto diet foods. Don't get me wrong, bacon and heavy whipping cream have their place, but here are 5 keto diet foods that you should include in your ketogenic lifestyle to ensure that you are staying as healthy as possible. Avocados are not only delicious but also a nutrient-dense and unique food that you should absolutely include on a ketogenic diet. Since avocados are technically a fruit, they are extremely unique in their high fat content. Additionally, they contain magnesium and potassium, which are essential to keep replenished on a ketogenic diet. Fiber is another nutrient that is critical to a well-formulated ketogenic diet, and avocados contain 10 grams of fiber per serving. Nutritionally, coconut oil consists entirely of dietary fat, making it a great option for a keto-friendly food. For someone on a ketogenic diet, MCTs can provide a quick source of energy. In addition to providing monounsaturated fatty acids, eggs are an excellent source of protein and contain all essential amino acids. A balanced diet rich in eggs may help reduce blood triglyceride levels and raise HDL, good cholesterol. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods we can eat. Sardines are extremely high in 3 nutrients that are difficult to obtain from many other foods: omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. They are also high in selenium and phosphorus, as well as several other nutrients. Sardines are a great source of protein that is packed full of other beneficial nutrients. It may seem too good to be true, but dark chocolate is extremely high in several minerals and phytonutrients. Cocoa flavonols and other polyphenols may help decrease blood pressure and increase HDL cholesterol, while the antioxidants and fiber in dark chocolate can help with digestion. With the low carbohydrate content of the ketogenic diet, it is critical to ensure that you are getting enough fiber. A 1-ounce serving of dark chocolate, 70 to 85% cocoa, contains 3 grams of fiber. Keto diet food recipes. You don't have to eat these keto foods all on their own. These are just 5 nutrient-packed diet foods that will give you a boost on a keto. Having a diet that is high in variety will help improve overall health and guarantee success on your keto journey. Do you regularly eat any of these keto diet foods? Comment below and let us know your favorite nutrient-packed keto diet food.